Hey there, welcome back to Stocks Telegraph. If you're new here, we cover all the latest updates and juicy insights from the world of stocks and finance. Today, we've got something exciting for you, a deep dive into Arcadium Lithium plc, ticker symbol ALTM, one of the rising stars in the lithium sector. We're talking about a company that's been making some serious moves. And if you're into stocks, especially in the energy or materials sector, this is one you'll want to keep on your radar. But what's all the hype about? Why is Arcadium Lithium grabbing attention? Stick around as we explore their performance, recent deals, and future outlook. We've got all the details coming your way. And before we jump in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. You don't want to miss out on the latest stock updates and market trends. Also, drop a comment below and tell us what you think about Arcadium Lithium. Are they the next big thing? If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow finance enthusiasts. All right, let's get started. Let's start with a quick overview of Arcadium Lithium for those who might be new to the company. Arcadium is making waves in the lithium industry. For those who don't know, lithium is an essential component in electric vehicle batteries and renewable energy storage. And with the world pushing for greener energy solutions, demand for lithium is soaring. So what makes ALTM stand out in a market that's getting pretty competitive? Well, the company's approach is pretty smart. They've built a diversified and vertically integrated global supply chain, which means they're not just dependent on one source or one method for production. They've also been focused on building a solid portfolio of high-quality lithium resources to maximize the profits they make from each unit of lithium produced. And as the demand for lithium continues to rise, Arcadium is in a good position to capitalize on that growth. Right now, Arcadium Lithium stock is priced at $5.66. Analysts have set a mean target price of $5.96, suggesting there's a slight upside from here. Over the last week, the stock's been moving in the right direction, up nearly 10%, specifically 9.69%. If we look at the last 6 months, that's even more impressive, with a huge surge of 60.34%. So yeah, they've been on a solid upward trend. Now, when we look at the 52-week high, ALTM is trading about 16% below that. But here's something to keep in mind. Their return on investment is sitting at 2.29%, which could mean there's potential for growth, especially if you're eyeing an entry point. As for profitability, the company's gross margin over the trailing 12 months is 31.60%, and their profit margin is 17.22%. These are pretty solid numbers, especially in a market that can be as volatile as lithium. And don't worry about debt. ALTM has a low debt-to-equity ratio of just 0.12, which is great for anyone concerned about financial stability. On top of that, the stock's trading 38% above its 200-day moving average, a key technical indicator suggesting positive momentum. So financially speaking, things are looking pretty strong for Arcadium. But it's not just the numbers that are making waves. Arcadium Lithium is also making some strategic moves to strengthen its position in the market. Just recently, on January 1st, 2025, they entered into a major agreement with Livent Corporation, another player in the lithium space. The deal involves Arcadium guaranteeing Livent's obligations under Livent's 4.125% convertible senior notes due 2025. What does this mean? Well, it's all about leveraging their resources and enhancing their global presence. The partnership strengthens Arcadium's position as a key player in the lithium market and could potentially allow them to expand even further. But there's more. Arcadium is also in the process of being acquired by Rio Tinto, one of the world's biggest mining companies. As of January 13, 2025, Arcadium Lithium passed a huge milestone. Committee on Foreign Investment in the U.S. gave the acquisition the green light with no national security concerns. On top of that, Arcadium's already secured shareholder approvals and merger control clearances in several countries, including the US, UK, China, and Japan. Once this acquisition goes through, Rio Tinto's backing is going to bring even more resources and stability to Arcadium. This could open the door for a major boost in growth, so keep your eyes peeled on that one. Now let's look at how Arcadium did in their third quarter 2024 results. They reported $203.1 million in revenue and net income of $16.1 million. Not bad, but there were some challenges during the quarter. Their adjusted EBITDA came in at $42.9 million, showing a slight decline due to a combination of lower prices, reduced volumes, and higher operational costs. One of the key reasons behind the lower volume was weaker demand for lithium. They also faced some delays with their Olaroz Stage 2 lithium expansion project in Argentina, which has affected their ability to ramp up production. Despite these setbacks, the company's long-term contracts helped cushion the blow, enabling them to keep their pricing power intact. So, while the demand slowdown hurt them a bit, their strong long-term commercial agreements allowed them to maintain stability. It shows the company is able to navigate through some volatility in the market. Looking ahead, Arcadium is focused on cost management and operational efficiency. They're targeting over $125 million in cost savings by the end of 2025 through various initiatives. This includes streamlining operations, reducing logistics costs, and cutting down on energy expenses, all of which should help improve profitability. But they're not just sitting back and resting on their laurels. They're investing heavily in next-gen lithium processing technologies like direct lithium extraction, which could give them a major edge in terms of efficiency and sustainability. And if that wasn't enough, they're also working on Li-Ovix, a breakthrough technology for lithium metal anodes and future solid-state batteries. This is something that could become huge, especially with the growing demand for advanced EV batteries. Arcadium is also ramping up production, with expectations for a 25% increase in lithium volumes by 2025. Plus, they've secured government funding and customer prepayments to help support their expansion plans. So what's the bottom line? Arcadium Lithium is positioning itself as a key player in the rapidly growing lithium sector. With its strong portfolio, strategic partnerships, and innovative technologies, it's set to capitalize on the rising demand for lithium. Sure, they've faced some challenges, but the company is adapting and building for the long term. With a solid financial position, backing from major players like Rio Tinto, and groundbreaking advancements in lithium processing, Arcadium is primed for significant growth. If you're thinking about investing in the lithium space, ALTM could be one to watch. That's all for today's analysis. What do you think about Arcadium Lithium? Is this a stock you're watching closely, or do you think there are better opportunities out there? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Stocks Telegraph, and share it with your friends. We've got more insights coming your way, so be sure to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.